Hello guys, this is Day Trader, and in this video I will show you the trade I took on the Nasdaq and won $1,580 actually. So what happened on the market as the New York AM session opened, we had this trending condition on the market. We broke the low here, and we had the retracement into this fair roll up here, as you can see. Wait, let me choose this so I can demonstrate on the point more clearly. So we had retracement into this zone. After that retracement, we had kind of consolidation here. We still retraced into this fair leg up, but after that we had big displacement to the downside. Displacement, retracement into this fair leg up, and still displacement. So this is before 1 hour time frame, 1 hour candle close and 4 hour closed. This was before. So I was looking for price to disrespect this high time frame PDLA. So 1 minute time frame past this PDLA, but 1 hour. I mean 1 minute PD 1 minute candles past this 1 hour PDLA, but 1 hour candle was not closed. So this is not disrespect for me. I'm looking for high time frame favorable gap to disrespected by its candle. So if there is 1 hour time frame PDRA that have to be disrespected, I want to see 1 hour candle to disrespect it by itself. So after this displacement from this fair roll gap, we had the retracement into this 1 hour fair roll gap that we disrespected, and now we use it as resistance in the market. So after that, this is 10 a.m. This is where the candle closed on 1 hour time frame. As you can see, we disrespected it, and after that I just entered in. This was just wait, where am I going? Yeah, also we had this SMT on the highs on 1 hour time frame, and as you can see, I entered here. I put my stop loss about this fair roll on 1 hour fair roll up. uh, I accidentally closed my half of my positions here, and I also added my positions again. So I closed it accidentally, but I still added 5 more positions. So after that, we just had big displacement to the downside. I had my first take profit to start off this fair roll up here, and second take profit to this swing low and start of this fair roll up. And that was it. I won $1,580, I think. Yeah, I will show you in the video. So this is the video for today, guys. I will see you next time. Bye.